In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a D drive on your Windows 11 computer. So it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now the first step is to open up your Start menu, and then you need to go and search for the word partition and click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Now before we can create the D drive, we need to go and allocate some space in order to create the drive. So we're going to do this by shrinking our C drive. So what you need to do is go and right click on your C drive, and then you need to click on Shrink Volume. You can then just give that a few seconds while it loads on your computer. Now what you need to do is enter the amount of space that you want to shrink your C drive by, and this is essentially how much space you want to allocate to your D drive as well. So I'm just going to go with the recommended amount here, which is 564,000 megabytes, and then I'm going to press shrink. Now at the bottom of this window, you'll see we now have this unallocated space. So I have 551 gigabytes available. So what you need to do is go in, right click on this, click on New Simple Volume, click on Next again, click on the drop down arrow and make sure D drive is selected, and then you can click on Next again and click on Next and click on Finish. Now once you've done this, the D drive has now been created. So what you can do is you can go and open up your computer, and as you can see, here is our D drive, and you can now put files and save data onto this new drive. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.